Every morning, the forest woke to wings of every kind.
High above, the young birds danced through the morning, while Wingo could only... Sometimes, even the bravest attempts don't lift us the way we hope. In his quietest moment of sadness, Wingo discovered a voice the forest had been waiting for. With every note he let go, the forest gave it back, brighter than before. His song, once heard only by the pond, now reached every heart in the forest.
But not every heart welcomed the new song in the same way.
Where did that come from, Wingo?
Jealousy can turn even the brightest sky into something heavy, especially when it comes from a friend. Hurt words can sink deeper than water, and sometimes they drown the courage to sing again. A hurt heart is not the end of a song. Mourning does not erase what hurt us, but it can give us a softer place to start again.
But even in the calmest forests, storms begin as a whisper in the wind.
The wind grew wild, and with it, the first warning of the storm to come.
This is it. We need to go DOLN.
Down!
He could not lift himself into the storm, but his song. He had always believed wings were the only way to be brave. Storms leave branches broken and roots soaked. But they all...
Sometimes the hardest journeys aren't through storms, but through the space between I was wrong and...
No two wings move the same way, and no two hearts learn in the same rhythm. But together, it wasn't a leap into the sky, just a heartbeat where the ground remembered it didn't own him. He might never circle the skies on his own wings, but his voice could travel farther than any feather.
We just didn't want anyone to be alone out there.
The storm had taken its thunder and gone, but it had left behind something.
Lessons in the leaves. Everyone seated. I froze on a thin branch last time. Me too, once. Lessons in the leaves. Everyone seated.
I froze on a thin branch last time.
Me too, once.